Welcome to Multimedia/Journalism with Mrs. Parks. A real fun fact about me is I love to dance. How you can reach me? The best way to reach me is by email, della.parks@bisd.net, or you can reach me on the Remind app. Here are a few course topics that your child will be learning in multimedia, from Google Suites to digital citizenship, digital storytelling and presentations, some coding, social leadership, and also goal setting skills, Chromebook basics, photography, and also website creation. For my journalism students, they will be learning analyzing media, building yearbooks, news media types, editing, symbols, photography, newscasting, and also they will explore some careers in journalism. Here are our minor and major grades for the course. Warm-ups and classwork will be 40% of the grade, and then our major grades are going to come from the quizzes, the tests, and projects. Here's just a few pictures of the lab. At the bottom, you'll see the entrance of multimedia, and then the insight pictures are at the top. I want to thank you for allowing me to teach your child this year. It's going to be a great year. Bye-bye.